Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play the drums on a Stylophone beat. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Stylophone beat, and I'm going to show you how to easily play the drums. I'm going to start off by turning the unit on, okay? Now that I've turned it on, I'm going to grab the stylus over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it is on drum mode. So you can see that there is a little thing over here that I can move, sort of like a knob that I can move, and I'm going to bring it to the drums, which is all the way up here, okay? Now that I've chosen the drums, I can actually use the tip. I was going to say the edge, but it's more so the tip of the stylus to touch the pad, and it should make drum sounds. Just as you can hear right there. Now what you can do is you can change on the drum side over here, you can change the sound, so you can just go ahead and move it to a different one, and it's going to make a different sound. You can change it again, and again. And it's literally that simple. I also believe, that's how I would play the drums, but I also believe that if you hit play over here, sorry, I almost knocked my camera over, but I got a grip of it, thankfully. I believe that if you hit play over here, and you get that green light flashing, I do believe that you can still play the drums like that. And then when you have it in that play mode, over there you can also turn on the metronome by hitting the click button over here. And as you can hear, we now have a metronome. And we can turn the metronome off as well. Just like that. Very, very easy to do. I'm just going to turn that off so I can just turn off the play mode so that the light stops flashing. But yeah, very, very easy. That is how you play the drums on this unit right here. Really, really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I tried to keep it very short, very sweet, very straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Other than that, I've got nothing else for you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.